Hey, what up, man? This is Nejo. Want to welcome you to the Presidential also. So about a day or two ago, I posted on my Facebook page asking people if they would love to see me create videos and content around how to run profitable Facebook ads. And a lot of people were excited about this and they showed their interest. And I'm excited about this as well because in this series of videos, I'm going to be teaching you, I'm going to be showing you how to run profitable Facebook ads. Now, a lot of people just throw money at Facebook and make Mark Zuckerberg richer and themselves poorer because their ads are not converting and they're not seeing any good return on investment on their ads. But before I actually go into the content and create more videos around this, why should you even listen to me when it comes to digital marketing and running Facebook ads in the first place? Firstly, I'm a very handsome guy. That has to count for something. It has to count for something, but that's not the main reason, right? So for the past 1 year now, I've been learning from thought leaders in the space, thought leaders and people that have spent millions of dollars on ads. I've enrolled on courses by Rendes. I've also enrolled on courses by Tai Lopez, and these courses are expensive. So I don't just have the experience, I don't just have the know-how and the qualification. I have also run ads for my companies, and I still run ads for my personal brand and my company, and I run social media marketing for myself and for companies in the UK and in the US as well. So I know what it feels like to spend in running an ad and to see a return on investment on that ad spend. So what I'm going to be doing is giving you all the information that you should know to help you run profitable Facebook ads. So the first thing you gotta know when it comes to running profitable Facebook ads is this. You gotta understand the platform. You gotta understand Facebook ads as a whole and understand Facebook. The best way to understand how Facebook ads works is to compare Facebook ads with Google. For example, let's say you go to Google and you search for best condoms in London. That's what I search for, right? And you're gonna see ads from companies like Durex or any other condom company and website, right? Now, what happened there is this. When you go to Google and search for something, you're going with something called a buyer's intent. You're going there, you're searching for that thing because you either want to buy it, you want to know the price of it, or you want to see companies or places where you can get it from. But when you go to Facebook or Instagram or any other social media platform, you're not there with the intention to buy. So when somebody runs an ad and it is so selly or so salesy, you won't find that ad appealing and it won't convert you because you didn't wake up in the morning to say, okay, I want to go to Facebook and see an ad. You went there because you want to post a picture or you want to see how good your friend's life is compared to your life and you want to cry about that in your toilet, or you want to write long ass captions and post your stupid ass ugly picture or your beautiful ones if you have. You're there to socialize, not to buy. So when you are somebody that runs an ad or intend to run an ad, you know that I'm running an ad on a platform where people are being social. The way you're going to create your content, the way your video will be created, the way your picture will be, the way your caption will be, the way you're going to structure your ad creative is going to be different from somebody that doesn't even understand the psychology behind people that are on social media. So your social media ad is going to rhyme with the platform. It won't be so silly. You're going to avoid words like buy this now, get this now, do this now. You're going to avoid strong action words. Rather, you're going to be selling people on the experience. Quick example is this. Let's say I run a course, right, that teaches people how to become web and graphic designers. The wrong thing to do for me would be to create an ad saying, buy my course today and learn web design and graphic design. That's the wrong thing to do. The right thing to do would be to sell the experience. So instead of saying buy my course to learn web and graphic design, I'm going to say enroll on this course and become a skilled and well-paid web and graphic designer. So I'm selling the experience. I didn't use anything like buy. I'm selling experience of what they will get after they enroll on my course, after they buy my product, after they buy your product, after they buy your service. You're going to sell the experience because you know as a smart person that social media is where people are being social, they didn't wake up saying I want to buy. They're there to socialize. So your ad creative has to rhyme with that. That's the first thing I'm going to leave you with. I'm gonna create series of videos. This is gonna be a series. Like, I'm gonna be pushing mad content at you, great content. But this is the first one. Understanding the psychology of people that are on social media. They are not there with an intention to buy. They are there to socialize. So your creative and your ad creatives should flow with the platform and not feel too silly or too salesy. Rather, it should feel like, oh, it's just part of the old social media, enjoyment. I hope you found this video exciting and valuable. I'm gonna be creating more videos to give you more content and more, structured content, but I just feel this is the introduction and this is what you need to know first. I remain Daniel Nejo. Stay blessed and keep hustling strategically. I almost died creating this video.